So in the last session, we ended the trading with a deposit of 184.65 cents. In just 2 sessions, I turned $1 into quite a solid deposit. And today, the marathon continues. So each step becomes riskier, and just one mistake can easily wipe out all the previous wins. And I'll remind you that my goal is to show an honest path to $100,000. If it is possible, it will happen right in front of your eyes. Along the way, you'll see all the right decisions, all the wrong decisions, and whatever happens in the meantime. And so today I decide to trade as dynamically as possible because the market seems to be very active. I'm going all in on risk. This isn't just trading anymore. This is reaction on the edge. No chance to relax. I need to act fast, make solid decisions, and keep focus until the very end. Most importantly, watch this video until the very end. Today I'll show a series of trades that prove just how fast a deposit can grow at maximum speed. But here lies the biggest risk. One wrong trade can destroy all the progress. And by the way, do you want to trade in real time and ask any questions right during the marathon? Join my Telegram because that's where all the live streams, breakdowns, and commentary happen. I also show fresh strategies and explain how to use them on a regular basis. The link is in the video description. I do hope you have time to come and check. For that, just message me and I'll add you. Alright, so today I'll keep the setup minimal, just enough to get me closer to the goal faster. Chart type candlestick, time frame 30 seconds, fast. Indicators, 2 moving average, and I'll take signals directly from them. Now setting up the MAs. First one, period 6, the fast MA is my trigger, catches the freshest impulses, color blue. Second one, period 12, the slower MA, it's my trend, filter, and dynamic support resistance, color orange. The steeper the angle of both EMAs, the stronger the trend. So the chart is ready, time to trade. Let's kick off today's session. I've already found a great entry and expect the price to rise. So I'm opening a buy trade for the full $184, duration 2 minutes. The blue line crosses the orange one from below and moves above it. That's the signal buyers are taking control, but one cross isn't enough. Look further. Both lines turn upward, confirming the downtrend is over and an upward impulse is forming. Green candles are closing above both MAs. That matters because when price stays above the averages, they act as support. Even if price pulls back, it's likely to bounce and go higher. Together, this forms a strong buy signal. And here is a tip. Always wait for a candle to close above both MAs before entering. It filters out false crosses. And now my trade closes plus 354. Perfect, my balance has grown significantly in just these few days. Moving to the second trade, I already see the signal, so I'm entering confidently with $354 long. I'm forecasting price growth. Here is what's happening. The blue line crosses the orange one from below. The classic sign, sellers are weakening and buyers are taking control. Before the cross, we had strong downtrend, long red candles, but then a series of green candles appeared, moving steadily up. The latest green candle closed above both MAs, confirming that the cross isn't random, but the start of a real impulse. After the cross, both lines point upward. If they had tangled sideways, it would have been weak. But here they are forming a clear upward angle, a trend reversal. A very great setup, waiting for the close, and plus 680. Just excellent, balance grows steadily, I'm quite pleased. And if you happen to like my trading logic, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel. That would be very helpful, and also you will not miss any further videos. And do you want not just copy signals, but actually understand why a trade works? In my Telegram, I post structured trades with full explanations. Why I enter, what I see, and how I confirm the signals. The link is under this video. Message me so I can add you. So I'm continuing. I see a clear signal. Time to go long with the full $680. Again, the blue line crosses the orange from below. That's the first sign buyers are stepping in. Look at the candles. After a row of reds, a strong green broke above both MAs and closed higher. That's important. It shows price entering the growth zone. Also, after the cross, both lines turn upward. That means it's not just a random tick, but a real reversal impulse. In such cases, do not enter on the first green. Wait for confirmation with the second candle above the MAs. That makes the signal much stronger. And my trade closes plus 1,306. Quite excellent. I'm not stopping here. The chart has flipped and I found a great setup. I'm shorting with $1,306. The blue line crosses the orange downward. That's like a traffic light switching. Buyers give up, sellers take control. Now look at the candles. Right after the cross, a big red candle appears. That's critical, real confirmation. Sellers are pressing down, not just a line cross, but actual price action behind it. Check the slope. Both lines angle downward. That means it's not just a pullback, but the start of a genuine downtrend. So a short trade here makes sense. Indicators and candles align. And if you like how I trade and want to see how it ends, please hit a like button and subscribe to this channel. So my trade closes plus 2,509. Quite excellent. Balance grows even faster. And you know what? I'm breaking my own rule today. Usually I stop at 4 trades, but the chart gives such a clean signal that I cannot ignore it, so I'm going along with the $2,000. Again, the blue line crosses the orange from below. Buyers are taking initiative. Market is ready to rise. Green candles confirm it, not just technical but backed by real price action. Both lines angle upward, showing a forming trend, not just a single spike. So, cross up, green confirmation, both lines pointing higher, perfect long entry. This is an exception, but skipping such a signal would be a mistake. So I just decided to go anyway. And the trade closes plus 3,840. Just perfect. Look how balance has grown since the last time. And I hope you remember that I started with just $1. Alright, so day 3 of the marathon is done and my current balance is $4,349.32. A huge leap considering that just a couple of days ago my balance was only $1. But I understand that the higher the balance, the more expensive each mistake becomes. In the next sessions, I'll show how I manage risks and what to do to avoid losing everything in a single moment. I'll share all my secrets so you can repeat the process yourself. Don't miss out because it's gonna be brutally honest and intense. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel. I hope to see you in the next episode. Happy trading!